So, while the door panel is out of the way, speakers. It's a Honda. One screw as usual. I will take it out and just to show you that this is typical Honda. I love how they haven't changed their speakers in forever. And you could probably use the same. I'm sure it's probably not going to be listed, but I bet you it'll still be the same because it is just like every other Honda we've been in for the last, I don't know, 20 years and made in Mexico. Yep, you see? Same thing, same brackets. So these gotta be the same. I'm gonna put these up anyway. What might not be the same as these guys, I'll see if I can get something with the speakers to make it a little bit easier. But I mean, speakers are 2 wires, man. It doesn't really matter if it's positive or negative. It does, as long as you keep it consistent. So if you're not sure, just hardwire it, right, to positive and negative. But I'm gonna put the links anyway of these speaker mounts because it is just like any other Honda that I've seen in forever. So next is the mirror. We're gonna put this one screw back to show you that it is straightforward. And whoop, there we go. And done. There you have it. So that's how you remove the speaker. Now, I will say, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.